welcome back to Logan's channel, but today it's not going to be Hot Wheels. I also like planes as well, so today we're doing about planes today.
Okay.
Let's start opening. Just need to get this packaging out. So, here is the plane. It's called Fly Britain. It also has some LED lights.
Very good.
They go a bit like that. I'll have it there. And next, we have some, like a little airport mat. Let me show you it. But first, I just need to get through this sellotape. It's not as big as you think. Actually, I think it is as big as you think. I think it's bigger than you think.
Oh, that's a big mat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lay that on the back bit.
I'll just lay that there.
Right. What else we got in the packet?
So, next we have this car. It's like if you don't have like one of them tunnels what gets you into the plane, you can use a sig, so it opens a door. Looks like you can walk up the stairs and get in.
Right. And what else have we got in the packet?
We have like this helicopter, like a touring helicopter around the airport. It's like you can do tours around the airport as well.
Or depend on where the city is that the airport is. It could do tours around the city, can't it?
Yeah, or it could do tours around the city as well.
Have we got anything else?
Yes, we have. So like we have like this little barrier, so like just in case.
Oh, to stop it from going in the wrong area or at the end of the runway or something like that. Okay.
It could be used for like out of order stuff, like it might be the end of the runway. And then we have like these two cones as well.
Okay.
Like these two traffic cones. Not sure what they're used for, but
They can be used to guide you around to a certain way.
yeah, and then like we have like this sign.
Oh, that's a right turn only.
Yeah.
What else you got?
We've also got this danger.
Oh, yeah. Yep. What else you got?
Then we have two more stuff left. Like this one.
Oh, it's straight on. And what's your last one?
Then our last one is this one, like a no entry sign.
Right.
Hmm.
Right, so we'll just pause there and we'll reset the map up. Okay then, so we've got it all laid on the floor.
Almost.
Almost, just finishing putting the last few cones and...
Oh.
And you can that's it, you can put them where you want, can't you?
No, I want to put that there. Like it could go like that.
So there you go. So now you've got your own little airport that you can set things out on, can't you?
Yeah, and I even have another plane what I got from America.
Have you?
Yeah, it's a Disney Parks plane.
Right, so yeah, that'll be able to go on there as well, won't it?
Yeah. And we
Right.
even have like a little police station and a fire station as
Right.
well here, which is kind of cool.
Okay then.
Where did you get it from?
Oh,
I got it from Poundland. I meant Home Bargains in England.
right. So you got it from Home Bargains.
Yeah. And it must have been a bargain, did
Oh man. Okay then.
This is this new video, and it's having a flying visit to you.
Okay
Straight
then.
to my channel, Logan's channel. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below to Logan's channel and see the other videos.